Our next topic is operations on rational numbers. We have four main basic operations. Which are the four operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We have already learned how to perform these operations on fractions. So the same way we have to do with the rational numbers also. And today we are going to learn about the addition of rational numbers. Now addition of rational numbers. Suppose two rational numbers are given with the same denominator. So how we can add? So we have to add the numerators keeping the denominator same. So two rational numbers with the same denominator can be added by adding their numerators keeping the denominator same. Now example, 3 by 7 and negative 13 by 7. So 3 by 7 plus negative 13 by 7. So the denominators are same. So you have to keep the same denominator and add the numerators. So we can write 3 plus negative 13 by 7. Then what is 3 plus negative 13? Equal to negative 10 by 7. So the answer is negative 10 by 7. Now next, 5 by negative 16 plus 11 by 16. So all the time you have to look into whether the denominator is positive for doing addition and subtraction. So make the denominator positive if it is not positive. So how can you make it into positive? You have to multiply both numerator and denominator by negative 1. And when you multiply both numerator and denominator by negative 1, 5 by negative 16, 5 into negative 1 by negative 16 into negative 1. So you will get it as a negative 5 by 16. So 5 by negative 16 is same as a negative 5 by 16. So make the denominator positive. Then plus 11 by 16. So the denominators are same. So you add the numerators. So negative 5 plus 11 by 16 is equal to negative 5 plus 11. What you will get? 6. 6 by 16. And you have to reduce to the lowest form also. So we can divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So we will get it as a 3 by 8. So the answer is 3 by 8. Now what will happen if the denominators are different? How to do it? You have to find out the LCM of the denominators. And after that you have to write down the equivalent rational number with the LCM as the denominator. So two rational numbers with the different denominators are added by first taking the LCM. First taking the LCM of the two denominators and then converting both the rational numbers to their equivalent forms having the LCM as the denominator. Now we can consider the example. Add 2 by 5 and negative 3 by 4. So 2 by 5 plus negative 3 by 4 equal to. Look at the denominator. Denominators are different. So we have to take the LCM. So what is the LCM? LCM of 5 and 4. LCM of 5 and 4 equal to 5 into 4 which is equal to 20. So you have to make the denominator of each rational number as a 20. So how we can make it? So 2 by 5 you have to multiply with 4. So 2 by 5 into 4. So the denominator will become 20 for the first rational number. Plus next rational number is 3 by 4. So you have to multiply the denominator by 5. So the numerator also you have to by 5. So which is equal to 2 4s are 8. Then 5 into 4 20. 8 by 20 plus negative 15 by 20. So we got the rational numbers with the same denominator. So add the numerators 8 plus negative 15 by 20 equal to, what is 8 plus negative 15? Negative 7 by 20. So the answer is negative 7 by 20. Now we can consider the problems given in exercise 9.2, question number 1. Find the sum. First question, 5 by 4 plus negative 11 by 4. So look at the denominators are same. So which is equal to, you have to add the numerators, 5 plus negative 11 by 4 equal to 5 plus negative 11 is equal to negative 6 by 4. Now reduce to the lowest form, divide both numerator and denominator by 2, so negative 3 by 2. So the answer is negative 3 by 2. Now next one, negative 9 by 10 plus 22 by 50. So the denominators are different. You have to find out the LCM. So LCM of 10 and 15. So we can apply the division method. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Therefore 2, 1, 3, then 3, 1, 1. So the LCM is equal to 5 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 30. So the LCM is 30. So you have to apply the division method and find out the LCM, or if you can find out straight away, you find out the LCM. Then equal to negative 9 by 10, you have to make the denominator as what? 30. So you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. So negative 9 by 10 into 3. 22 by 15. So 15 into 2, 30. So multiply numerator also by 2. Negative 9 into 3, negative 27 by 10 into 3, 30. Negative 27 by 30 plus 44 by 30 and equal to negative 27 plus 44 by 30 equal to 44 minus 27, 17. 17 by 30. So the answer is 17 by 30. It is similar to the addition of fractions. Next, negative 2 1 by 3 plus 4 3 by 5. So which is equal to negative of 2 1 by 3 plus 4 3 by 5 equal to 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. So negative 7 by 3 plus 4 5s are 20 plus 3 23. So 23 by 5. Here you can see that the denominators are different. So you have to take the LCM. So what is LCM of 3 and 5? LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. LCM is 15. Therefore negative 7 by 3 into 5 plus 23 by 5 into 3. LCM is 15. So which is equal to negative 35 by 15 plus 69 by 15. Then equal to negative 35 plus 69 by 15 equal to 69 and 35. So what you will get? Negative 35 plus 69 is equal to 34. So 34 by 15. We can write in this way, or if you want you can convert it into a mixed number. Mixed form, we can write it in the mixed form. What is the mixed form? So it will be equal to 2 4 by 15. Now homework, exercise 9.2, question number 1, 2nd, 4th, 5th and 6th. That's all for today's class. Thank you.